Welcome to Tech with Exam. In this video, we are going to learn how to calculate your file size from the files sitting in the Google Drive. So I have already a video where I wrote the script to get the list of all the files with their size. But guess what? If you have a small size folder, you don't want to do all the scripting and everything, you can simply use ChatGPT. So here I have a folder called Azure Data Factory, and there is a folder called Done. So these are all the videos I have loaded to the uploaded to the YouTube. I'm going to just take the screenshot of this list here, and now I'm going to take one list and let me upload this right here. So upload image 1, and then I'm going to go back here and maybe just scroll down and get another image. So let's see if we have some other videos here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get this list here. Now there are two images I have uploaded here for the ChatGPT. I'm going to ask some questions now. I would like to create a table that should be an Excel, and then have the same data that these images are containing. So simply then after that I can go ahead and add that. Now I will ask, can you convert the data from both images into a table? There is column file size. I would like to have that converted to the MB, and that's it for now. So let's just give this prompt and see if it does create that table for us, and also reformat the file size column into the MB. Right now if I go back here, I can see the data in bytes, in kilobytes and all that, so also in MB as well. So I would like to convert everything to the MB. Okay, our file is ready. We can download the file and then we can go ahead and take a look from there. So I'm going to the downloads here and save, and then what we will do, we will open the file and take a look. Okay, we can edit here, and then we can expand this part. And now what we are going to do, we are going to expand, and here is a list of the files. So we can see the files here, and there are 28 files, and this data is in the MB. If I just do the sum, so it's 5.3 GB. So if I go to summary, it is showing me the summary as well. Now I want to make sure all the files has been taken from here. So if I will go ahead and go to the images, I want to see if I can just open the image and take a look from there. Okay, this is one of the image. So there are 18 files here, and then I'm going to close this and open this other image and take a look. So this is also 18, but what's happening here? 18 plus 18, that's 36, and I am seeing only what we are seeing here is the 28. So notice that maybe that's the, it's only took maybe the .mp4, and that's what it did. It ignored other files. So it have this one, so it is a very small file. But we can go back here and say, hey, guess what? You are ignoring some document files, and this is there's no size. That's fine, but you could have bring it, and you could have bring this one. So I'm gonna go back and tell the ChatGPT, guess what? You are giving me wrong information now. So there are total 36 files in those two images. You are showing me only 28 and ignoring the document files. I would like to have all of them in the table. So now, as I said, that they always right here on see right there, you says ChatGPT can make mistakes, check important information. So if I will be you, I always do my quality assurance testing. I don't just believe in this tool or any other tool. So as a database engineer, we always go back and verify the information, and that's what you should be doing as well. Okay, the updated Excel file now include all 36. So I'm gonna go ahead and download and see now if it is correct information. So let's save this file. Go back here. And now it has the right information. So if you see right there, now it has all that information that we have asked, even it included those .txt files now. So now it understand. And if I will just take a do the select these column, I'm gonna get the size here. If I will do edit enable, once I do that, so I'm gonna expand this again, and this is in MB, so you already know that. So 5.336, and there is a summary here that also tells 5.2 or 5.3 GB. That's the data size. Now that's great. So we learned how to take or extract the data from the Google Drive by taking snapshot and then convert to the table, and have the size also put into the one unit, such as MB or GB, if we whatever we want. And then also we have the summary. Now if you might have thought like, why I didn't just copy these files names like this. So if I will go back here, and if I will just highlight this like this, why I don't do that. So if I will do something like that, so if I do Control C, go to the Excel, and then if I will paste it here, now it's gonna bring the hyperlinks. So it's not bringing the actual information. That's why I took the snapshots and pasted in ChatGPT, and then perform some calculations. I thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.